Hello my dear students, this is Akash SD. Welcome to the ASD physics classes. Hope so you all are doing really great. So students, in this video we are going to solve class 11 NCERT part 1. That means from units and measurement to the gravitation. Okay students, so let's start the video. So here you can see units and measurement question is there. From the topic you can see here error. A physical quantity P is related to 4 observations A, B, C and D as follows. This is the expression is given. The percentage errors of measurement in A, B, C and D are 1%, 3%, 2% and 4% respectively. The percentage error in the quantity B is this kind of question is very common all the time in an exam. Okay. So here please here I will write one by one. So percentage error in A, that means delta A by A, what is given here? 1%, that means 1 by 100. Similarly, in a B, delta B by B is what is given here? 3%, that means 3 by 100. Similarly, in C, delta C by C, percentage, that means per 100. Or we can write here 2 by 100. And similarly, in a D, delta D by D. Okay, it is given here again 4%. So we can write here 4 by 100. Even this is called here relative error or fractional error. Now we are solving with a very basic. After that, what is the expression is given here? The expression is, you can see here students, P equal to A cube B square by C root D. Root D means we can write here D power half. Okay. So from here, if I write here the error equation or error expression, then what we can write here? Remember that here. You also know very well. Delta P by P equal to 3 times delta A by A plus B square. Na? So 2 times delta B by B. And remember that here error is always maximum. Which one? Always maximum. So we will use here plus, not minus and all that. Okay. Plus delta C by C plus 1 by 2 delta D by D here. Is it? Can you see here very well how we have written this? Is it? Now after that we have to just put here the values. So see here this. 3 delta A by A, delta A by is given here 1 by 100, so 3 into 1 by 100 means 3 by 100 plus delta B by B means 3 by 100, so 2 into 3 by 100 means what is coming here? 6 by 100 plus delta C by C, how much here? 2 by 100 here. Okay, 2 by 100 plus half delta D by D, so half into 4 by 100 means it will become here 2 by 100 here. Is it? So when you will count here, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 2 how much here? 13 by 100. So students, you can see very well delta P by P is coming here what? This delta P by P maximum anyhow it is coming here 13 by 100. Okay. So if I write here the percentage error in P is given by delta P by P into 100. Is it? That means we can write here see 13 by 100 into 100, 100 cancel. So what is coming here? 13%. Can you see here very well how much beautiful way we have done with the basics? That means which option is correct here? The correct option is here. Option C is the answer. Now, very common question from the units and measurement topic. Now let's see here this question. Vernier calipers. Question is looking big, but the solution will be very easy. So see here. Consider the diameter of a spherical object being measured with the help of a Vernier calipers. Okay. Suppose its 10 Vernier scale divisions are equal to its 9 main scale division. Now this is given to calculate the least count. After that, what is given here? See, the least division in the main scale is 0.1 centimeter and 0 of Vernier scale is how much here? At x equal to 0.1 centimeter when the jaws of Vernier calipers are closed. This data is given to calculate the error. Okay. After that, see, if the main scale reading for the diameter is m equal to 5 centimeter and the number of coinciding Vernier division is 8, the measured diameter after 0 error correction is how much here? Okay. So 3 parts are there: least count, error and the given data to take the measurement here. Okay. So first we will calculate here the least count by this one here. Okay. So remember that here in this question, first we are going to calculate the least count here. Is it? So least count formula is what? Least count formula used to write here n into x by n. Is it? And they have given here what? They have given here 10 Vernier scale division is equal to 9 main scale division here. Okay, so n is always used to be the difference. So 10 minus 9, how much here? 1. Okay, length of one main scale division is given here 0.1 centimeter, and number of divisions on the Vernier scale, how much here? 10. Even this is a general form also, so it will become here 0.01 centimeter. Okay, this least count is completed. After that, we'll go for the error. Okay, so nothing is mentioned means here it will be positive 0 error. This positive 0 error is given by, see here, which division is coinciding here? Positive 0 error, nothing is given. Okay. The least division in the main scale is 0.1 centimeter. That is the, okay, this is the value of x. Okay, and 0 of Vernier scale is how much here? At x equal to 0.1 centimeter when the jaws of Vernier calipers are closed here. Okay, so 0.1 centimeter they have given here error, 0.1 centimeter. Okay, and one more thing I would like to correct here. See here please. This data is also the part of the least count calculation here. Okay, this green color, green color is the part of the least count calculation. Okay, so 0 error also how much given? Directly 0.1 centimeter. After that, what is given here? Main scale 5 centimeter, and which division is coinciding? 8-1, 8-1, 8-1. Okay, so if I write here the true value is given here main scale reading plus Vernier scale reading minus 0 error with the sign. Okay, minus 0 error with the sign. Okay, so MSR, anyhow, what is given here? 5 centimeter and 8 division. Okay, so this is the 5 centimeter plus 8 division means here VSR means n into LC, and least count how much here? Here 0.01 anyhow in a centimeter minus 0 error with sign how much here? See 0.1 centimeter. Is it? Very easy, very easy, very easy. So what will become here? See 5 centimeter plus this will become here 0.08 centimeter minus 0.1 centimeter. So 5 minus 0.1, 4.9, 4.9 plus 0.08, it will become here 4.98 centimeter. Okay students, so 3 parts are there. Least count, 0 error directly is given here, and this data is given to calculate the diameter. So diameter, what is coming here? The diameter is coming here, option C, 4.98 centimeter. Is it? Great. Next one, students, here straight line motion question is this. The question is, in some appropriate units, time t and position x, relation of a moving particle is given by t equal to x square plus x. The acceleration of the particle is how much here? I will tell you one thing, this question is inspired from the JEE question. Some days ago I solved the JEE question with the same basic here. Okay, so what is given here? See here, it is given here, see, t equal to x square plus x. Both the sides I will differentiate with respect to time. Okay, so see here students, d by dt of t is equal to d by dt of x square plus d by dt of x. Is it? Both the sides. Then d by dt of t how much here? 1, and here we have to use the chain rule. That means d by dx of x square into dx by dt, okay, plus dx by dt how much here? V. Then again continue here, see, 1 equal to d by dx of x square, 2x, dx by dt is v and plus v. Okay, so what will happen that here? Kindly see here, 1 equal to 2x plus 1 into v. It is students, so from here if I write here what is the value of v, the value of v, it is coming here what here? 1 by 2x plus 1. Is it? 1 by 2x plus 1. Is it? This is the value. Now students, remember that here, after that again I will write here 1 by v equal to 2x plus 1. Okay, now again I will differentiate with respect to time. Is it? With respect to time. So what will become here? See, with respect to time means I will use the chain rule. So see, d by dv of 1 by v into dv by dt here, na? Chain rule. D by dt is there, na? I use the just chain rule here. Okay, then after that again here 2 into dx by dt plus d by dt of 1. Is it? Now see here, d by dv of 1 by v how much here? Formula we have to use here. Which formula? See here, d by dv of v to the power n means nvn minus 1. Okay, so when you will simplify this, it will come here minus 1 by v square. Dv by dt means acceleration, and here what will come here? 2 into v. Is it? Because dx by dt is v, d by dt of 1 constant means how much here? 0. Okay, so when you will simplify this, this a will come here minus 2v cube. Okay, is coming how much here? Minus 2v cube. And what is the value of the v? This is the value of the v. Okay, so final answer will come here minus 2v cube. That means we can write here 2x plus 1 whole cube here. Okay, so this is going to be the answer, minus 2 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. Okay, so whatever options, anyhow options I did not write, but this is the correct answer. Remember that. Okay, great. Now students, this question is also looking bigger, but we have to use here the relative motion. Okay, so see, two cities X and Y are connected by a regular bus service. Okay, with a bus leaving in either direction every T minute. Okay, a girl is driving a scooty with a speed of 60 km per hour in the direction X to Y. Notices that a bus goes past her every 30 minutes in the direction of her motion, here. After that, see, and every 10 minutes in the opposite direction. Okay, choose the correct option for the period of the bus's service and the speed assumed constant of the buses. That means the speed of the bus is constant. Okay, students, so kindly say very well. When it is going in the same direction, 30 minutes, she is observing, and when going in opposite direction, she is observing 10 minutes here. And speed is how much is given here? Speed is given here 60. Is it, students? So let's see here. Remember that here again, first speed of the scooty is given here 60 km per hour. Okay, now after that, see here please, this is the bus. No? First condition I am going to use here, when it is going in the same direction. Okay, same direction. Okay, same direction. Same direction, what is there here? See here, this is the bus, and this is bus is na regular. So this is V and this is V. Now buses are going in a same speed. Okay, so what is happening when it is going in a same direction? Now what is the, this is the scooty is this, and this is going in a how much here? 60 km per hour. Okay, 60 km per hour. So in this situation, what will happen that here we have to apply the relative motion. Okay, so when we will apply the relative motion here, what will happen that here? We will see here velocity of scooty with respect to bus. Okay, so with respect to bus means what will happen? This will be the rest situation. This bus also will be in a rest situation, and velocity of scooty with respect to bus will become how much here? Velocity of scooty minus velocity of bus. Okay, that means both in this same direction positive. So V minus 60. What is coming here? Velocity of scooty with respect to bus. What is given here? V minus 60 here. Okay, and remember that here this is the hypothetical diagram here. And let's take the distance between these two buses are, I have taken here D1. Is it? So what will happen that here? Remember that here for the same direction, D1 equal to, we can write here distance equal to speed into time. So V minus 60 into how much time is given? Same direction means 30 minutes they have given here. Okay, see the students here, they have given here 30 minutes for the same direction. No? So I will write here 30. Remember the unit here, I have put here in a minute only. Okay, after that second one, if I will go for the opposite direction, no? Opposite direction, you know very well here. No? How it will be given here? See, so what is coming right here? Let's take here, this is the bus, this is the velocity V, this is also bus, this is the velocity V. Okay, and what is happening right here now? Scooty is coming in opposite direction here. Okay, with speed V here. Now, and let's take the distance between the bus. How much is given here? Let's take given here D2. Is it? So again, I will use here the hypothetical situation. Now this bus rest, and this bus also rest. Is it? And now this scooty. Now this scooty is given here. Now students, this scooty is going in this direction. Is it? And with how much speed? Remember that here again, students, here velocity of scooty with respect to bus. That means here Vs minus Vb. Okay, so Vs how much here? V minus bus. Remember that here, students. See, let's take, if I take here this side positive, then this side will become here negative. Is it? That means we'll write here minus. Okay, see here. This is scooty is going in which direction? This direction. No? So see here, please just let me check. This is 60 is given. No? Scooty is 60. Is it? Bus going this side. Scooty is coming this side. I have taken 60. Okay. So velocity of the scooty, how much is given here? Velocity of the scooty is given here 60 here. Okay. So just little bit change we have to do here. Little bit here mistake we have done here. Now, anyhow, I'm just writing basic, that's why it is taking time. Velocity of the scooty means 60 minus v, it will become here 60 plus v. Even directly also I can write here 60 plus v directly. Okay, but anyhow what is coming here? 60 plus v. Here same direction means what is came here? V minus 60, and in this situation what will come here? V plus 60 anyhow. So this distance d2 is given here anyhow students here, v plus 60, and how much time is this? 10 minutes are there. Okay, and this is the which diagram here? Let me write here this one. Let me put here like this here separately. No, like this here. Is it like this? And this is also velocity of scooty with respect to bus we have calculated here. Okay, and here also velocity of scooty with respect to bus, here also we have calculated here. Okay, and here it will come here. Scooty in which direction? This direction. This is the scooty. No, and this is the velocity of scooty with respect to bus in this direction, and this we have calculated here. Is it? So what will happen that here? Now, as you know that here buses are going with a regular time intervals. That means the distance between the buses are fixed. Is it? So d1 equal to d2. So d1 how much is coming here? See here. V minus 60 into 30 is equal to V plus 60 into 10. If you know this basics and all, then okay, directly you can do this step also. Okay, multiply here students, 30V minus 1800 is equal to 10V plus 600. Is it? So when you will simplify this here, 10V will come this side here. So 30V minus 10V is equal to 1800 plus 600 means 2400. Is it? Students, so see here, 20 into V is equal to how much here? 2400. Is it? Hence V equal to what is coming here? 120 kilometer per hour. What is coming here? 120 kilometer per hour. That means the speed of the bus, how much here? The speed of the bus is the 120 kilometer per hour. Where is the option? So 120 and all is given here. See, this 120 is given here. That means anyhow the correct option is the option D here. But 15 minutes also I can calculate for you here. Okay, 15 minutes also I can calculate for you. What will come here? See the students. See, so if in case I just calculate that, so see here, I will write here. So see, now see, distance between the buses, what is given here? D1. Is it? D1. So what will D1 will be there? See here, I will write here V, same direction, V minus 60 into T time here. Now, so V minus 60, V how much is came here? V is came here 120. So 120 minus 60. Is it? And time, same direction means how much time was there? Same direction, how much time? 30 minutes here. Okay, so 30, this is in a kilometer per hour. Okay, remember that here, this is in a kilometer per hour. This one here, this one in a kilometer per hour here. Okay, and this one in a minute. Okay, so we have to simplify this. 120 minus 60 means 60. 30 minutes means convert into the second, please here, students. So kilometer per hour, minute means we have to convert into the hour. Okay, so 30 by 60 here. So that this will be kilometer per hour and this will be in a hour. So this hour and this hour will cancel out. Answer will come in a kilometer. What is coming here? 30 kilometer. That means the distance between the buses are 30 kilometers. Okay. Then after that, if we talk about here, how much time it will take here. Okay. So time is given here. Distance between the buses into the speed. Distance between the buses, how much is given here? 30 kilometer. And speed, how much is given here? 120 kilometer per hour. Is it? So what is coming here, students? It will come here 1 by 4 hour. Answer is given in a minute. Okay, so 1 by 4 into 60 hour, it will come here 15 minutes here. Okay, I have done for you. Is it? Remember that a little bit tough questions, but okay. Anyhow, now students, let's see, this question is here. See here, this question. See, there are two inclined surfaces of equal length L and same angle of inclination. How much is given here? 45 degree here. Okay. Now after that, see, with the horizontal, one of them is rough and the other is perfectly smooth. Okay. A given body takes 2 times as much time to slide down on a rough surface than on the smooth surface here. Now, the coefficient of kinetic friction between the object and the rough surface is close to how much here? Okay, students. So this is the question. So remember that here on the smooth surface, downward acceleration will be g sin theta, and on the rough surface it will be g sin theta minus mu kg cos theta. Okay, these basics are needed. So what they have given here? They have given here T rough. Okay, T rough is given here 2 times of T smooth. Okay, and this kind of surface I can draw here, inclination 1. Okay, this is the theta, and let's take here, this is the length L. They have given here capital L, so you can write here capital L also, no problem. Okay, so remember that here, normally the formula, I will use here S equal to ut plus half at square, and it is starting from the rest here. Okay, so when I will use here S equal to ut plus half at square, it will become L equal to 0 plus half a t square. Okay, so a will come here root L by a. Now, so see here, T rough means here root 2L capital L by a. Acceleration down the plane, how much here? Remember that here for the rough, g sin theta minus mu k g cos theta, okay, is equal to 2 times smooth, how much here? See, root 2L by g sin theta. Is it? This we should know that, is it? Now students, just take the square both the sides. So what will become here? Kindly say 2L by g sin theta, we have to just solve it here, mu k g cos theta is equal to 4 into 2L by g sin theta, is it? Then this 2L and this 2L is cancelled, is it? And then we can simplify this here. What we can write here, see students, see, this g sin theta is equal to 4g sin theta minus 4 mu kg cos theta, is it? G also will cancel out here, so see here, sin theta is equal to 4 sin theta minus mu k cos theta, is it? Can you see it? Very well. So what will become here? Mu k cos theta is equal to 3 sin theta. Mu k cos theta is equal to 3 sin theta. So what is the mu k? Mu k will come here. 4 is this 4 is here, is it? So here also this 4 is there. Okay, so it will become here 3 by 4 sin theta by cos theta tan theta. Angle of inclination is given 45 degrees. So tan 45, 1, 3 by 4 means how much coming here? 0.75. Okay students, so this basics at least we should know that. Now, so which option is correct here? 0.75. The correct option is here, option D is the answer. Is it? See, in how much beautiful way we are solving NEET 2025 question. That question, some buses question, that was little bit tough. But other questions, we are seeing. Now see, next one is students, see. A ball of mass 0.5 kg is dropped from a height of 40 meter. The ball hits the ground and rises to a height of 10 meter. The impulse imparted to the ball during its collision with the ground is how much here? Okay, so remember that here, this is the ground here. No, and from here the bus is, this ball is falling. Okay, this bus fall here, is it? Let's take this height, the H1. It will go in the same path here, but okay, just for the representation purpose, we used to do like this here. And second, how much is this? H2. So this is the initially, this is the striking is this, then again it is going here, is it? And here initial speed 0, and here also when it will reach to the highest point, here also 0 here. Okay students, so remember that here when the ball is going down, okay, so for downward motion means in this situation, let's take it will hit with velocity v1. Okay, so this v1 will come what here? Remember that here, root 2g h1. Okay, so 2 into 9.8, how much height it is falling? From a height of 40 meter. Okay, so when you will simplify this here, 80 into 9.8, it will become here 784, and it will become here 28 meter per second here. Okay, now after that what will happen that here, when we will go for the upward motion. Which one here students? Upward. So here also when you will use the equation of motion, let's take here, it is going up with velocity here v2. Okay, how much velocity students? It is going with velocity v2. So this v2 is also given by same story, root 2g h2. So see 2 into 9.8 into how much here? 10, is it? So it will become here root 196, and how much here? 14 meter per second. Can you see very well here? Striking 28 and bouncing back with a 14 meter per second. Okay, after that we'll use here the sign convention. So see here, let's take here for example, I have taken here upward positive, downward negative here. Okay, and you know very well impulse means a change of momentum. Okay, so we can write here, see, space is not there. Okay, I can write here, see here. That means impulse is given by change of momentum. So see here, mv2 final momentum minus m, and here minus v1. Why minus v1 here students? Because downward minus, is it? So when you are simplifying this, it is coming here m v1 plus v2, is it? So m is 0.5 and you can write here 28 plus 14, is it? So 28 plus 14, how much here? 42, 42 into 0.5, 42 into 0.5, how much coming here? 21 Newton second. Direction is the very, very important now, because impulse or momentum is the which quantity? Vector quantity, is it? Great. Now laws of motion question we are solving here. See, the question is, see, a uniform rod of mass 20 kg and length 5 meter leans against a smooth vertical wall, making an angle of 60 degree, okay, with it. The other end rests on a rough horizontal floor. The friction force that the floor exerts on the rod, how much here? And the value of G is given here, this one. Okay, students. So what we have to do here? First, we have to draw here like this here. Somewhat bigger diagram we want here, is it? So this is the wall and this is the ground, is it? Now after that here we have one rod is there, a rod like this here. This question also came in a J exam, but remember that here, this they have asked for the ladder, okay? Now after that, what will happen that here, this angle is given here 60 degree here. How much angle? 60 degree. And the length of the, how much is given here? See, 5 meter. This is the 5 meter here, is it? And so, can you see here, this length, how much here? 5 cos 60. 5 cos 60. Cos 60 value 1 by 2. So, it will become here 5 by 2 meter, is it? Similarly, this one here, kindly see this one here. This one will come how much here? 5 by 2 sin 60. 5 sin 60. So, it will become 5 sin 60 means 5 root 3 by 2. Is it? This thing and all is okay, is it? Now after that, we'll draw here the forces and all. So see here, this is a normal reaction here. No, I have taken a normal reaction N1. Now this is point A I have taken, and friction force will act in this direction. Is it? Because this rod is having the tendency to move left side. Is it? Now after that, here also one normal reaction will act, that will act in this direction, and that is called here the N2. And let's take this, I have taken point B. Is it? And where the weight will act here, students, the weight will act here, just at the center. How much it is given here? It is given here 20 kg, so 20 into 10, that means 200 Newton. Is it? So what we are going to do here, first thing I am going to use the translational equilibrium. So translational equilibrium in a which direction? I am going to use here in a vertical direction, sigma Fy equal to 0. Okay, so see here, this 200 Newton is acting in downward direction, is it? Minus N1 is acting in upward direction, equal to 0. So what is N1? N1 will come here, the students, 200 Newton. What is N1 here, the students? N1 is coming here, 200 Newton. Okay. Now after that, I am going to use here the rotational equilibrium. Okay. And you know very well, the value of N1 is known. Fs we have to calculate. So what we are going to do, I am going to take the torque about point P. Okay. What I am going to do here, I am going to take torque about B. Okay, equilibrium situation. Now, so remember that here one thing, just let me write here, let me write here, see, what are the, the torque because of this N2 will be 0, is it? Because it is passing through this point here. Now what will happen that here, this one, see here, this is the perpendicular distance we have to take here, and it will try to rotate in this direction, is it? Anti-clockwise I have taken here, positive, is it? And after that, what will happen that here, this N1 will try to rotate in this direction, is it? This side positive, that means this one I will take here negative, is it? And this Fs about point B, this will also try to rotate in this direction, positive, is it? Like this. So torque formula, you know very well, students, torque means F into R perpendicular, is it? What is the formula here, students? F into R perpendicular. Okay, that means I can write here, see here, one by one I will do here. First I will write for the this one 200, see the students here, 200. And see here, this distance, what is given? 5 root 3 by 2. So this one how much here? 5 root 3 by 2 by 2. So it will come here, see the students, 5 root 3 by 4. Is it? Plus. After that, see here, students, this Fs. Fs means Fs line of action is here, and this is the perpendicular distance. So I can write here, see, Fs into 5 by 2. Is it? Minus this N1 value how much here? 200, and it is going to rotate in which direction? This direction. Minus, is it? So again if you will see here this distance is again how much here? 5 root 3 by 2. Now perpendicular distance we are taking here. 200 Newton, perpendicular distance 5 root 3 by 4. Fs means perpendicular distance 5 by 2. N1 means perpendicular distance 5 root 3 by 2 will be equal to 0. Okay. And when you will simplify this very easily, you can get here Fs will come here 100 root 3 Newton. Which option is correct here? The correct option is here option B. We have to just use here the mechanical equilibrium. Okay, great. Here no use here, is it? Now students, let's see here this question. This question, see, work energy and power question is there now. Let's go through it. See, the kinetic energies of two similar cars A and B are 100 joule and 225 joule respectively on applying brakes. Car A stops after 1000 meter and car B stops after 1500 meter. If FA and FB are the forces applied by the brakes on car A and car B respectively, the ratio FA by FB how much here? Okay. So students, remember that here. First I will write here the ratio they are asking us, so I will write here. See, KA by KB. KA by KB how much is given here? See here, 100 by 225. Okay, even you can simplify this 25 times. So 25 4 100 and it will become here 4 by 9 here. Is it? Now students, after that here distances dA by dB. dA by dB. No? dA by dB what is given here? It is given here A and B. No? So 1000 by 1500 here. Students, 1000 by 1500. This 0 cancel. We can write here 5 2 10 and 5 3 15. Now this is given here. This we have got here. Now after that we'll use here the what for this question? Work energy theorem. Okay. So work energy theorem tells that work equal to final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy, and this is going to stop. That means this work final is 0 minus Ki. Is it? Now work is given by, work will be positive or negative, students? Anyhow, the work will be negative because it is going to stop. So work means, see, F d cos 180, force and displacement in opposite direction minus Ki. Okay, cos 180 how much here? Minus 1. So when you will simplify this here, it will come here F equal to Ki by d. Is it? Ki by d, initial kinetic energy. Okay. Now after that, see here, if I write here, see the students, Fa by Fb, they are asking here, na? So kinetic energy directly proportional. So Ka by Kb, distance inversely proportional. That means we can write here dB by dA here. Okay, so Ka by Kb how much is coming here? We can write here 4 by 9. 4 by 9, is it? And dB by dA, it will become here reverse 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Is it, students? So just cancel out here. 3 3 9, 2 2 4, so it is coming here how much here? 2 by 3. Any option 2 by 3 here? The correct option is here option B. This question we have done by work energy theorem. Is it? Great. Next one, students, here see this vertical circular motion question is here. See, a bob of heavy mass M is suspended by a light string of length L. The bob is given a horizontal velocity V0 as shown in figure. If the string gets slack at some point P, making an angle theta from the horizontal, the ratio of the speed V of the bob at point P to its initial speed V0 here. Okay, and this options and all is given here. Okay, so students, here you can see here this is the situation at point P. They are telling that here speed how much here? Speed is the V. Okay, so first we are going to use here the centripetal force concept. What is the concept is this? This is the mg, okay, and this angle theta. So you know very well here this angle is also theta and this angle 90 minus theta. Is it? So students, here who will provide the centripetal force? Because the tension is 0, that means this side. This side how much it will act here? This side it will act here mg cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta sin theta. Okay, so centripetal force will be equal to mv square by L. Is it? Centripetal force how it is coming here, students? Mg sin theta is equal to mv square by L. So it is coming here v square equal to gl sin theta. Is it? Equation 1. Now what we'll do here? Next one we are going to use here the work energy theorem, and for that I will use here the reference here. Okay, and here the reference, let's take this is the point A and point P. So reference here now, so potential energy at this reference is 0. So again I can write here UA plus KA is equal to UP plus KP. Is it? Potential at point A how much here? 0. Kinetic half m V0 square. Is it? Potential at point P how much here? Tell me here, students, mg. This length L, this is L. Is it? So this is L cos theta. This is how much here? This length here, students. This length L sin theta. Is it? So mg we can write here L plus L sin theta plus half m v square here. Okay, now what will become here? Kindly see the students, half m v naught square is equal to m gl into 1 plus sine theta plus half mv square. Okay, now what you have to do here, students, here from here this gl value gl will come what here from here? Gl will come here, students, v square by sine theta. Is it? What will come gl? V square by sine theta, that we have to put here. Okay, so half, anyhow mass will cancel out, half v naught square equal to gl, how much is coming here? See the students here, v square by sine theta, and here 1 plus sine theta plus v square by 2. Okay, you have to just simplify this equation, and when you will simplify this here, just you will get here this option D. You have to just simplify that here, you will just get this answer here. Okay, and kindly see this also. Is it, students? Great. Now we'll go for the next one here. Kindly see here, students, this question. The question is, see, the sun rotates around its center once in 27 days. What will be the period of the revolution if the sun were to expand twice its present radius without any external influence? Assume the sun to be a sphere of a uniform density. This is the question. Okay, students. So without any influence means what is this? Angular momentum is conserved. Okay, and for the angular momentum conserved means, remember that here I1 omega 1 is equal to I2 omega 2. Now angular momentum conservation, rotation. Na? So solid sphere means this is here 2 by 5 mr1 square, omega 1 means 2 pi by t1, and here also see the students here 2 by 5 m r2 square here, and here 2 by t2. Is it? So after that, when you will simplify this, what will come here, students? Kindly see here, it will become here, see, r1 square by t1 is equal to r2 square by t2. Okay, so what is coming here? t2 will come here r2 by r1 whole square into t1. Radius is becoming how much here? You can see here the radius is becoming here the twice. Now, so r2 is becoming here 2r1. Now, so r2 is the 2r1 means it will come here 4 into t1. How much is given here? 27. So when you will solve here, it will come here, students, here 108 days. The correct option is here. Option D is the answer here. Is it? Great. Now, students, we'll move for this question here. Is it? The question is what? See the students, see. A sphere of radius r is cut from a larger solid sphere of radius 2r as shown in figure. The ratio of the moment of inertia of the smaller sphere to that of the rest part of the sphere will be how much here? Okay, so in this question, remember that here, students, here one solid sphere is this and this density is how much here? Rho. Density means mass by volume. Okay, students. So what will happen that here? This mass of the, we can tell here the larger sphere here, no? Larger, no? This one here, original, no? Larger sphere. What will come here? Mass 4 by 3 pi 2r whole cube into rho here. Is it? And the mass of the smaller sphere will come what here? See the students here? 4 by 3 pi r cube into rho. Why? Because this radius is 2r and this radius how much here? This radius is r. Is it? So you can see very well here, students, here 2r and here r. So if in case if I write here this m, so what this will become here? You can see very well, students, here this will become here 8m. Can you see very well? Is it? Because this 2 cube 8 will form here. Is it? Now after that, what I will do here, I will use for the smaller sphere here. Okay, smaller sphere. This one here, smaller sphere. See, this is the axis here, passing through the center of mass here. Now, first about this axis, I will calculate here the moment of inertia ICM, and then I will apply parallel axis theorem, and I will calculate for this one here about y-axis. Now, this is the y-axis here. Okay, students. So see here, please. For this, what will become that here? For the smaller sphere, what is the formula? 2 by 5, now about this I center of mass, what is the formula? 2 by 5 mr square. So 2 by 5 m r square, is it, plus mass m, and this one how much here? Radius is r here, nice students. So here please mr square, is it? So 2 by 5 mr square plus mr square, it will become here, students, so here 7 by 5 mr square. What is coming here? Can you see the students here? 7 by 5 mr square about which axis? About y-axis. Is it? Now after that we have to do for the this one here, big sphere, no? I big sphere, I bigger one, I large one. I large one formula what is given here? See 2 by 5 mass how much here? Mass 2 by 5 8m, and it will come here 2r square. Okay, so 8 into 4 and into 2, so it will become here, students, here 64 by 5 mr square. Is it? Now after that, next one, I remaining. Now this is also about y-axis, okay? So I remaining, now after cutting and all that here. So I large sphere about y-axis minus I small sphere about y-axis, is it? So large is coming, what here, see, 64 by 5 mr square minus, what is this here, students, is here 7 by 5 mr square here. Now, so see, 7 by 5 mr square, 64 minus 7, 64 minus 7, 57 by 5 mr square. Okay. Now in the question they are asking the students here, I small by I remaining. Is it? I small, what is coming here? See the students here? I small, 7 by 5 here. Is it? So see here, 7 by 5 mr square by 57 by 5 mr square, 5 cancel. So you can see the students here, 7 by 57. No? Just let me see here. Yes. Okay, so what will come here, the students here? You can write here. It will come here 7 by 57 here. Okay. I small one by I, RE means remaining one here. Which option is correct here? The correct option is here 7 by 57. Option C is the answer. Okay, is it? See, we are moving somewhat fast because time is just getting completed. Okay, see, this is the question here, students. See this question, see. A body weight 40 Newton on the surface of the earth. Okay, the gravitational force experienced by the body due to the earth at a height equal to 1/3 of the radius of the earth here. Okay, so height is given here r by 3, is it? And you know that here this formula gh equal to, what is the formula the students here? R by r plus h whole square into g. Okay, so this will come here, see the students here, gh equal to r plus h, how much here the students here? R by 3 whole square into g. Is it? Now let's continue here the students, see. This is gh is equal to, what this will come here? R plus r by 3, 4r by 3, is it? So see, 4r by 3 whole square into gh at a height h from the surface of the earth. Okay, so this gh will come here. If you simplify this, it will come here the 9 by 16 into g. Okay, and both the sides just multiply with the mass. Very easy question this is. WH equal to, it will come here 9 by 16 into weight W. So 9 by 16, weight is coming how much here on the surface? 48. Okay, so 48 by 16, 3, 9 into 3, how much is coming here? 27 Newton here. The correct option is here, option B is the answer here. Okay, the basic formula is there here, is it? Now students, see the next one here, see this question is this, see this question, see. The radius of Martian orbit around the sun is about 4 times the radius of the Mercury. The Martian year is 687 Earth day. Then which of the following is the length of year on 1 Mercury? Okay, so see the students here, the radius of the Martian orbit. You see the radius of Martian, I will write here. The radius of a Martian, how much is given here? 4 times the radius of the Mercury. 4 times of the radius of the Mercury. Okay, MRT and this one here. Okay, students. Now, after that, we have to use here the Kepler's law here. What is the Kepler's law? Tells that here T square is directly proportional to R cube. Is it? So what will happen that here, students? If I write here, we have to calculate for the what? We have to calculate for the Mercury. Okay, so here students, you see this T Mercury by T Martian. Okay, that is the square is equal to, see the students here, R Martian, R Mercury by R Martian, MART cube here. Is it? See here, this. Is it? Martian, Mercury and Martian. See, Mercury, okay, MER, and here T is this here, okay, this T, because both are starting with the M, so only. After that, what is happening that here? See the students here, R Martian is given here 4 times of the R Mercury. So see here, this will become here 1 by 4 cube. Is it? 1 by 4 cube. Is it? So it will become here, kindly see the students here, T Mercury by T Martian square is equal to how much here? 1 by 64. 1 by 64. Okay, so it will come here, this T Mercury is given by T Martian by square is this now, that will go that side, so it will come here 8. So T Martian by 8. T Martian, how much is given here? You can see here 687. So 687 by 8. Okay, so from here the students here 687 by 8 approximately it will come here 186 days here. Okay, but the thing is that the not 186, actually 86 will come here. Okay, what will come here the students here? It will come here 86 here. See this one here, 86. See 86. So anyhow, the options are not matching, so we'll go ahead with the 88 here. Okay, approximately 86 point something will come here. Okay, so again, I'm telling that here, this is the Mercury, this is the Martian. Is it, students? So I hope so. The part 1 is somewhat lengthy. I have tried to do it as much fast as possible. Keep studying, keep going.